I'll give Lord.
Yes.
This is what my Lord wanted, to formulate the question and then support that formulation. The first question, my Lord, I'll be developing is that partial examination. What is it called? Technically, it is called, my Lord, this selective re-examination.
That would be an uphill task, Mr. Giri. Let me forewarn you.
Yes.
Because the normal trend of judicial decisions in this has been of only selective re-examination. But
I will come to the latest
formulated.
The latest case on that issue is they might use against me is that medical college admission matter, where selectively was questioned.
The other friend also said that we will be relying on this judgment. My friend is also saying we will not be relying on any judgment. Be rest assured.
Yes.
My friend should have answered the first argument. He did not answer. Now,
Don't get this, Mr. Giri. Please don't get disturbed.
He thinks me as a weak person, and then he want to.
So selective re-examination. The selective re-examination, the rationale of selective re-examination, and the possibilities of the flailings.
इसका दूसरा facet है, the level playing field is not there because of selective re-examination. On 22 centers, we have the one center, a huge center has been split into 22 centers, and they have held selectively, my Lord, re-examination, and they have accepted this fact. It's not in dispute that the Bapu examination hall, where the largest student of about 22 centers were placed one place, there was unfair means used. There was no fair examination. There was leakage of question. Everything has been accepted by them. So far, one center is concerned, which is split into the 22 centers. Now, my Lord,
And before that, we forgot to ask you, who are you?
Lord, very unfortunately, I was wrongly painted by the commission before the single judge. Kindly come to Lord.
No, they have not seen the file. You have to tell us.
Please.
No.
Please,
You are a student. You are a
it's
candidate.
very relevant question my Lord has asked.
You are a candidate.
My Lord, kindly see order dated 16/1/2025. We could have got the stay. Otherwise, this incorrect statement would not have been made by the commission. Please consider this. This is a very serious matter. I wanted to brought to your notice. Please see the. Now, if my Lord will please you see, paragraph 5 of the order passed at the initial stage when I was asking for my Lord the interim prayer. My Lord, my argument was written, and then I was defeated on the council saying that we have not appeared in examination. Fact is that we are all a student, but for one, that's the submission made by you in Section 5. Please see paragraph 5. The senior counsel appearing for the commission opposes the argument raised by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner number 2 in petition was the only person who appeared in the examination. No. So see the order. Only person who appeared in the examination of Bapu Sahar on both occasions on so and so, apart from him, none of the petitioners appeared in the preliminary examination. That was a completely misstatement. In the counter, they accept that all of us, except one, has appeared. So therefore, my Lord, that was the reason misleading statement. Kindly see, my Lord, apart from him, none of the petitioners appeared in the preliminary examination conducted on 13/12/2004 and 4/1/2005, although admit cards have been issued in their favor. So for the allegations made in the petition in paragraph 8 of the petition is concerned, it is submitted by learned senior counsel that none of the candidates who appear in the examination shows. Having heard learned counsel for the respective parties, considering the fact of circumstances of the case, so on this background, the stay was not granted, and then it said it will be subject to the judgment. Because it was very obviously, I could also not answer such a statement coming from the commission on the first day without a counter. This was the statement made. In the counter, they accept. Now, when we have raised the issue,
When these students would have approached you, they would have said that they have appeared.
I have said in the petition that they have appeared. I have clarified this position that they have appeared. They have also now accepted in the counter affidavit that they have accepted. Look at the mischief which was done. This is on. This is one. Now, I am coming to my Lord's question. We are all examining, and my Lord, 3 of us have qualified in the preliminary test. Yet, I have said on affidavit, we are supporting the cause of others. Although 3 of us have qualified in the preliminary test, I have said in the affidavit, but still they are saying, they are of the view that there should be re-examination in the entire state. So that is the position. And one person could not appear out of this 14 because he was by lathi charge by the police one day earlier. He could not appear. So therefore, 13 had appeared. Out of 13, 3 have qualified. In the first test itself, but still they are joining hands and they say, I must support the cause for which we are standing. So this is the position. Now I was coming to the first of that selective re-examination. Number 1. The point number 2 is, we have brought to the notice of the authority, including the highest authority, including the certain complaints, glaring that on social media, the questions were leaked.
Can I interrupt for a moment? I need to clarify my message in regard to petitioners. I need to clarify in regard to petitioners. There are 14 petitioners. 1 didn't appear.
One did not appear in the re-examination or
No.
never appeared.
Never appeared.
He was assaulted
No,
by the police.
first time.
He was taken by the police.
He didn't appear. The remaining 13, out of remaining 13, there was only 1 candidate of Bapu Center. That candidate appeared and has qualified. Out of remaining 12, they are of different centers, not Bapu. And all of them have appeared on 13th. 2 out of 12 have qualified on the basis of test conducted on 13th.
The second time.
No. First time.
Still they are
First
saying,
time.
this is what I was saying. Still they are saying that morally they are convinced that there should be reopen examination for every center.
We are not.
Therefore, that is the affidavit they have given. So, my Lord, they now cannot run away that the commission has misled me, Lord, the second judge, by saying,
सब पर बात नहीं, आप अपनी पॉइंट अच्छा फॉर्मुलेट कर रहे हैं, उस पर बात करिए।
मैं बता दिया, डेलीगेशन का बैकग्राउंड जो देख लिया जाए, यही बता दिया, यही कंडक्ट है पब्लिक अथॉरिटी का। Now, the second point for my Lord's consideration is that written complaints have been filed. I'll show those complaints. Without very serious complaints. Center-wise, I'll come to and say, roll number-wise, the students have made complaints that SOP was not followed. There is a mass scale. Say some of the students, 4 girls were allowed at 2 hours, half an hour after the examination has started. That is against the SOP. Many places jammer were not working. When 1 o'clock, the question was leaked, it was displayed on social media. And that social media with questions, they are not denying that the question has been leaked is not the real questions. Was sent to the Chief Minister, was sent to by the students, to Lord the Public Service Commission, to Lord Leader of Opposition, to the Prime Minister. At least those complaints requires an investigation or inquiry. It might not be correct or incorrect, but it is substantially prima facie. I'll come to those matters. What they have done is, in the counter, those complaints they have simply denied. They say, after 15 days of the filing of the writ application, or not complaints, they have asked report from various center superintendents who themselves are involved in the matter. What has happened to these? Every center superintendent, they have an exclusion. Say nothing has happened to our. So this is the kind of, from the center superintendents, they asked much after, in January, 11th January, when the matter was displayed, then they asked me, this is the kind of inquiry they have done. So therefore, it's hardly an inquiry. Therefore, we have filed 3 IAs. And then the third one. Third one is that in the first examination, we have disclosed with books reference that at least 14 questions were wrong in the first on 13 examination. Now, if 14 and it comes nearly 20 if the spelling mistakes are concluded. A wrong question remains always wrong, whether we object or not. We are objecting the writ application with the materials, how we say wrong. They are not saying the questions are correct. What they are saying is, you did not object. I am not supposed to object. Why should I object? I am supposed to do. I believe the commission that they will furnish the correct answer. In this background, there is one single bench judgment of Chhattisgarh High Court relying on various Supreme Court judgments. They say, we are not expecting that the commission will be giving wrong question. What kind of expert body under the constitution they have been created? And we have a large number of questions wrong, 14, 15, 16, 20. Then the only answer is re-examination. Because the commission, the expert body, the commission article 302 is such a body, high body, and then you are not know the correct answer or correct question. It's a failure of the commission that you have not furnished the correct question and answer to the examining, and then you are trying to justify because we have not objected. How could we object that the question is good and bad? We have said in the court in the writ application, you have not denied that those questions are correct. You say you did not object. You should have examined that. Therefore, we have requested you, Lordship, to appoint expert body to whom they suggest and see whether the questions are correct or not. Of 13th January, and how many questions are correct? We have said more than about 14 specific, and then more. So whether that statement which we have made is correct or not, neither the court nor we have given the materials. Some expert, if my lord says that,
so this is one of the IAs.
If one of the retired judge or without any expert.
No, one of the IAs would seek such.
There are 3 IAs. One IA by which we have said, the CBI should be such a disputed question of fact, where serious allegation has been made.
Okay, one is
has been done in the past by the Supreme Court.
One is by CBI.
CBI.
By CBI.
Second, and then the second, that it may not be relevant if the case is decided earlier, but we have taken precaution that the main examination may be stayed until the investigation by without the CBI also should be made. So this is not yeah. Now coming to one by one, the pleadings, what I have said. How they have time see me Lord? I will not take much time. Please, page 9.
By 1 o'clock?
Please.
Half an hour time to you. My mic is not open.
हम तो खाली पेज नोट करा देते हैं बस वही देख लिया जाए. Kindly come to paragraph 8 at page 9.
Paragraph 8 at page 9.
Yes. These are the infirmity which we have pointed out with respect to a specific centers where re-examination has not been held. 12. kindly come to at least one Begusara. At about 1:30, some official came and turned off the jammer and remained off the entire period. My lord, will please be seen.
Which where are you reading?
Serial 12 of the complaint. We have made synopsis of the complaint. The complaints are, I showed to your lordship. High Court, 7 students were examined, given in separate group. उनको अलग बैठा के उनको इम्तिहान दिया था, which is against the SOP. You cannot segregate some of the that is according to the commission SOP. बजे आई item 4. Then Islamia School Katiyar, investigation turn off. Now invigilator turn off the jammer himself and superintendent writing to them, everything was all right. So then Gaya मिल so and so लाउड स्पीकर गया में लाउड स्पीकर से आंसर बताया जा रहा. क्वेश्चन तो लीक हो ही गया. ये सब इसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन कोशिश से करा लेते. हम नहीं कहते हैं कि जो हम कहे हैं वही करेक्ट है, लेकिन प्राइवेट फेस लगता है. स्पेशली हम कंप्लेंट आपको दिखाते हैं, विद्यार्थी लोग रोल नंबर दे के दिया है, जो डिफरेंट सेंटर का स्टूडेंट है, रोल नंबर दे हैव गिवन. नाउ दे आर सेइंग यू हैव नॉट कंप्लेंट, व्हाई शुड आई complain? I was not there, but the person who were there, they have complained. It is yours. You should be serious. Wife should be above board. You should yourself have a disciplinary inquiry. That Bapu Samajal, there was a leak of the question. So therefore, Lord, these are the specific questions. Now kindly come to the documents which I have relied. Please come to first page 38.
Page
38. Yes. सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट देखा जाए. ये एक्स पर गया है, एक्स पर भेजा गया है. जो ट्विटर पहले कहा जाता था उसको एक्स कर दिया है. पेज 38 पर ये भेजा है 1 बजे. देखा जाए बीपीएससी नेटवर्क पर भेजा है. नीतीश कुमार को भेजा है, तेजस्वी यादव को भेजा है, नरेंद्र मोदी को भेजा है, सबको भेज दिया है. और 1 बजे भेजा है, 2 बजे सेशन खत्म हुआ है, 1 बजे भेजा है. क्वेश्चन भी जो भेजा है सब करेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. इट्स नॉट दैट दे आर नॉट सेइंग. दे काइंडली कम टू पेज 39. पेज 39. देन इस वन देखा जाए इसको 1 PM 13 दिसंबर. उस समय तक 856 लोग इसको व्यू कर लिए थे. ये कहते हैं कि कोई देखा ही नहीं. गंगा निकली तो पटना तक पानी ही नहीं है. अरे तो पूरे बिहार में फैल गया, हर जगह चोरी हो गया. आपका जैमर काम नहीं कर रहा था. सबके पास बहुत लोग, बहुत विद्यार्थी मोबाइल लेके चले गए थे. कई जगह तो इन्विजिलेटर चोरी करा रहे थे. सब आया है, देखा जाए ना सब. अब जरा सा आया जाए पर उसको पेज पेपर में सब आया है, खुद एडमिट किया है. अब पेज अब आया जाए पेज 46 पर. अब ये कौन भेज रहा है वो देखा जाए. राहुल कुमार. रोल नंबर अपना दे रहा है. सेंट्रल कोड दे रहा है. लक्ष्मी उच्च विद्यालय मेन रोड सीतामढ़ी दे रहा है. ये कह रहा है ये सब कर नो पेपर चेकिंग एज वेल एज नो मेटल डिटेक्टर एट द सेंटर. अब जो सेकंड पेज पर आ जाए पेज 45 में ये पूजा भारती लिखती है. इसका नंबर है रोल नंबर 417796. इंसान रामदास कोर्ट सेंटर में 12 बजे के बाद इस विषय की हड़बड़ी में कई लोगों ने OMR से डिटेल भरने की बड़ी चूक भी की है। 11:55 में हमारे कमरे में रूम नंबर 8 में घड़ी खराब हो गई थी। 1 बजे उसके आसपास ये कहते हैं सब जगह जैमर चल रहा था, ये अपने काउंटर में बोले हैं। चूंकि हमने कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को कहा था कि जैमर 24 घंटा चलना चाहिए था, दैट्स ए टर्म्स ऑफ एग्रीमेंट, देयरफॉर इट इज प्रिज्यूम्ड दैट जैमर वाज रनिंग। This is what they are countered. They say that in the terms of agreement that the contractor there is a specific charge. 1 बजे के किसी सबसे जरूरी बात है कि एडमिट कार्ड पर होलोग्राम भी नहीं चिपकाया गया था। मेरे पास एडमिट कार्ड का प्रूफ भी है। अब यू next specific students are that they are identifiable. so मेरे सेट पर क्लास 1 रूम में एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिया गया है। मेरे क्वेश्चन पेपर सील के बगल के पेज को फटा हुआ है। मैं पूछा तो सर ने बोला कि पेज SOP हम जो पढ़ाएंगे, जो लिखा है उसके अलग नेक्स्ट में आएगी। रोल नंबर 408046 मेरे रूम में कोई कंप्लेंट किया तो केवल उसने हेल्थ के लिए डांटे तक नहीं। उस लड़की ने क्लेम किया कि चेकिंग सही नहीं हुई। 10-12 को सेंटर चेंज करके आयोग के नॉन सीरियसनेस को खाती है 5। अब पेज 48 पर आ जाए। ये भी अपना रोल नंबर, इनका आर्गुमेंट क्या हो रहा है कि in relation to the same examination you ought to have examined a expert committee, CBI, चाहे आपका AU है, किसी से तो करा लेते। तो आप क्या किए हैं? अब हम आते हैं ऐसा बहुत सारा सीरियस एलिगेशन है। वो जो पेज 55 पर आ जाए। EOU को भी भेजा एक लड़के ने, मैसेज एंड कॉज आर एंड टू कॉपीराइट वन आउटसाइड सो एंड सो। आई राधिका चौहान एडमिट कार्ड सेंड सब एरर। अपना एडमिट कार्ड नंबर सो एंड सो होम सीट वाज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एट द हॉल टिल होम सीट 12:45 पे। 11 बजे के बाद नहीं जाना है, 12 बजे से एग्जामिनेशन शुरू हो रहा है। OM seat 12:45. When we came down on the ground floor, paper was distributed. The students were giving exam and were doing cheating. Hours biometer were also not done. Please look for audit and cancel the exam at our center. लिख रहा है। अब जो पेज 56 पर देखा था, BS कॉलेज दानापुर में 12:48 में क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं मिला था। और एक अजीब घटना घटी। 12:32 में 4 स्मार्ट लड़की एक साथ कमरे में एंट्री की जो कैंडिडेट सी थी। और जब सवाल किया गया कि आप एंट्री में 11:30 के बजे लॉक हो जाता है तो फिर आप इस लड़की को 1 घंटा 32 मिनट लेट एंट्री कैसे मिल गया? तो इन लोगों ने बोले कि जो स्टाफ बोला कि ये सभी लड़कियां बाथरूम गई थी। अब सवाल यह था कि 4 लड़कियां एक मुझे शक हो गया कि पेपर लीक हो रहा है, ये भी गया। अब जो 57 लार्ज नंबर ऑफ माय लॉर्ड विल फाइंड, प्लीज कम टू पेज 61। Dear Chairman, Bihar Public Service Commission, Dear Chairman, Bihar Public Service Commission, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to bring your attention a serious issue regarding the cheating during the UPSC examination of my roll number is so and so. इसको बुला के इसका and my exam center code is so and so and located in Patna Gaya Niketan School, Pusa Road, Gaya, Bihar, which appeared to be providing answer to the questions. And annoyed was to direct and initially dismissal and background of disturbance. However, after the completion of the examination, reviewing my answer, I discovered that noise instead of complete correct answers to the question, including a question है, these answers were not publicly known before the examination. I firmly believe that the cheating was or tested outside the center and this incident so and so. So this was given to the Public Service Commission Chairman. Then we got page 62. This is also complaint. Then we got page 63. The roll number, names of the student is also all mentioned and the nature of complaint is mentioned. Page 63. सबका देखा जाए, सब अपने बारे में लिखा है. 12 बजे में हो गया, 40 पेपर लीक हो गया. तो मंगल में 10 मिनट देने से पेपर और मान में सब ये लिखे हैं. Now please come to page 65. Swamit Kumar so and so, Bapu, DAV Jamalpur. मुझे पेपर मिला ही नहीं था कि जैमर ऑल टाइम ऑफ. पेपर मिलने के पहले से इनका जैमर ऑफ था, ऑल टाइम ऑफ. अब जरा इसका और हम दिखाएंगे, लेकिन जरा इनका आंसर देख ले जाए कौन. काउंटर अब जो अब इन्होंने क्या इंक्वायरी किया है, हुजूर जरा सब पेज 128 इनके काउंटर रिव्यू पर आया जाए. ये सब कंप्लेंट हुआ. अब ये 10/11 को 13/12 को कंप्लेंट हो रहा है. 1 महीने के बाद ये पूछते हैं सुप्रीटेंडेंट से कि क्या आपके यहाँ कोई गड़बड़ी हुई थी. तो सुप्रीटेंडेंट लिखेगा, वो खुद ही फंस जाएंगे. अब देखा जाए हुजूर पेज 128, 11/125 कहाँ कह रहे हैं देखें हुजूर. इनके काउंटर का काउंटर एफिडेविट ऑफ रनिंग पेज 3 to 5 रनिंग पेज छूट गया है. मोटा काउंटर है हुजूर. रिकॉर्ड पर थर्ड एफिडेविट है, उसको पेजिंग नहीं हुआ. Yes. इसका हुजूर पेज 128 आया जाए. पेज 128 225. अब जो सुब्रत सेन जिला पदाधिकारी मुख्य सचिव, अब सचिव पूछे हैं तो इनको जवाब दे रहे हैं. उपयुक्त विषय के कहना है कि डीएवी पब्लिक को जो हम लोगों ने इंस्टांसेस दिया है, सब जो पूछ रहे हैं, आयोजित 31 मजिस्ट्रेट जोनल मैजिस्ट्रेट की गई क्रमशः स्वयं है. इससे विदित है कि विशाखी परीक्षा में उम्मीदवारों के अछूती जांच के बिना प्रवेश कराए जाने, पुस्तक पर 10 मिनट उम्मीदवारों को बुकिंग कराए जाने और 8 मिनट संबंधी माध्यम से किया गया है. अब ये रिपोर्ट जरा जिस पर ये बेस्ट रिपोर्ट है नेक्स्ट पेज पर है. सुप्रीटेंडेंट से पूछ लिए डीएम साहब ये क्या लिख रहे हैं. उपयुक्त प्रशासनिक पद के संबंध में उपयुक्त विषय पद संबंध में साझा सूचित करना है कि दिनांक 13/12/24 को बिहार लोक सेवा आयोग द्वारा आयोजित परीक्षा के दौरान विषांगित पद फिनिशिंग एवं अन्य व्यवस्था बीपीएस के नियमों और निर्देशों के अनुसार कराई गई, जिसमें परीक्षार्थी विधिवत फिनिशिंग 9:30 बजे से और 11 के साथ कराई गई। परीक्षार्थी के समक्ष कक्ष संख्या 9 में वीडियोग्राफी कराते हुए 11:34 बजे प्रश्न पुस्तिकाओं को सील कर खोलते हुए तत्पश्चात स्वयं किया गया। सभी कमरों को निरीक्षकों के साथ परीक्षार्थियों के समक्ष निर्धारित समय से पूर्व देखिए। अब ऐसे ही सब कॉमन सेंस नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी that they will not say that there was unfair means advised, because they themselves are culprit. They are party to this. This will at least affect their service career. So therefore, this is hardly a fair inquiry on the basis on the allegation. It's not compliance. So there should have been a fair inquiry. This is the question of law I am formulating. That the allegations appears to be prima facie to be inquired into. By an independent agency it was not done, and what they are saying in the counter on the basis of this, भाई हमने तो इंक्वायरी कराया, अब जरा सा वाला 12 पर आ जाए पेज 7 पर क्या बोलते हैं, अरे ऑफिस में चला गया, अब ये क्या बोलते हैं, इनको मिले वहीं से सुप्रीटेंडेंट साहब से para 12 page 7 of the counter. Page 7 para 12 of the counter. It is stated that
Yes.
It is stated that it has been followed in the past by all examination center, test bags and so and so, so the question of papers could be distributed in in accordance with the rule. The commission had been following the same process as it was followed in 9 and 12 sections, including BPSC. Some delay took place due to the tag bag and so and so, the question. However, center should try to explain that the sealed boxes opened and one so the test bags inside the sealed box were all sealed, safe and secure. It is also submitted that even individual question, the Central Supreme also assured the extra time to be given whether so and so. The further stated that as per the reported district magistrate report, some candidates critics of delay in submitted distribution. The candidates were not supposed to be. So these are all complete vague answers. This video footage. Now my lord will kindly come to best in paragraph 16. Most important. Social media X पर क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ था.
Yes.
Please come to page 16. They also admit that it was leaked on page 11. अब बता रहे हैं, अब पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं तो एडमिशन आप हमारे अनुसार एडमिशन है, आप एडमिट करके भी भाग जाइए, बात लगे देखा जाए. आप the very fact that you have got the हमारे अनुसार है. आप पेज 16 पैराग्राफ 16 कहा है भाई, आप लोग कह दीजिएगा कि हम गलत हैं, कोई बात नहीं. अभी हमारा चांस है, मैं आपको गलत कह सकता हूँ. Kindly come to page 11. आप तो पहला दिन जो मिसलीड किया कोर्ट को, हम लोग का स्टेट डिनाई करा दिया. हाउ कोर्ट वाज मिसलेड. पेज 11. The delayed social media act shows that the question paper circulated at 11. ये एडमिशन नहीं है. When the examination was smoothly going on, all the exam centers, this was the same question paper which was loaded by anti-social elements. अब इससे ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है? Anti-social fact remains that the questions were loaded on X. Whoever has loaded, antisocial elements in the garb of candidates for one. So maybe in the garb of candidate, questions remain that on X questions were left. It may be placed to kept in mind that the candidates were not allowed to carry the electronic gadget, including smart watches. तो जो relegation देखा गया है, not carrying electronic gadgets, including smart watches, mobile phones, minute trips, etc. inside the examination. So the examination was scheduled to 12 o'clock. Therefore, allegation which to leakage questions paper completely baseless. Some examination can be said to be benefited from the aforesaid alleged post of question paper on social X media. देखा जाए, as no communication could have been possible with examining who were sitting in the examination hall.
Yes.
जरा सा इसको फर्दर पढ़ देते हैं. The examination was scheduled on time at page 11. More than 13 electric jammers were installed in so-and-so connectivity. The examination was scheduled on 12 to so-and-so. Therefore, the allegation with respect to leakage in question paper is completely baseless. No examination media on X on communication could not have been possible if the examination was where sitting in the candidate's hall, sanitized environment free of electric signals, and jammers were activated from. ये तो जैसे ट्रेन 11 बजे खुलती है 3 बजे पटना पहुंच जाएगी, तो ऐसे ही कहते हैं सब में जमर लगा दिया. अरे जमर चला कि नहीं चला, कोई हम लोग कंप्लेंट किया है कि फलाना फलाना स्टेशन पर जमर
कैसे मालूम हुआ कि जैमर नहीं चला?
वो कैंडिडेट कह रहा है, वो बैठा हुआ है वहाँ. आपको कैसे मालूम होगा कि चल रहा था? वही सुप्रीटेंडेंट से 1 महीना के बाद रिपोर्ट मंगा लिए, जाली रिपोर्ट. Because they have said from the examination hall, what prevented you not to have a impartial inquiry? क्योंकि इन्होंने किताब लिख दिया है, ट्रेन टाइम है 7 बजे ट्रेन खुलेगी और सुबह 7 बजे पहुंच जाएगी. कहाँ कहाँ बीच में ट्रेन रुक गई, कहाँ लेट हो गई, इसका आप जवाब नहीं दीजिएगा. योर जैमर और योर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ऑफ जैमर ये एग्रीमेंट लगाए हैं कि उसका ऑब्लिगेशन था 24 घंटे का. अरे तो सारा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर तो रोडे बनाता है, सब पुल बनाता है, पुल तो टूट गया आपका. तो पुल टूट गया तो आप कहिए कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का इसमें कोई बात नहीं है, पब्लिक है लॉस्ट इट. तो आप कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को दे दिया, उसको कंडीशन लगा दिया कि 24 इतना पीरियड तुम्हारा जैमर चलेगा, तो आप प्रिज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि जैमर चल रहा था. यहाँ स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन है, उसका इंक्वायरी नहीं कराइए. दिस इज व्हाट द केस इज. वेरी सीरियस मैटर माय लॉर्ड विल बी. एटलीस्ट सीबीआई तो मिनिमम है, सबको जांच करा लिया जाए. पेपर कंप्लीट इनका एयू भी नहीं कुछ किया, उसको भेजा गया, लेकिन अब इतना बड़ा है सर्किल, विशेष सर्किल, विद्यार्थी सब क्या करें. No examination can be have benefited the aforesaid post of question X. No communication could have been possible. It was sitting in the examination hall in sanitized environment, free of electronic signal. So and so. The petitioners have miserably failed to provide the proof. हमको proof देना है कि हम तो दे दिया, आपको इंक्वायरी कराना है. You have failed to prove. You have discharged your legal obligation to having a fair inquiry into the matter. The petitioners have miserably failed to prove. हम लोग प्रोसिक्यूटर है क्या कहेंगे? विदाउट शैडो ऑफ डाउट हम लोग, अरे आप डिपार्टमेंटल बात है, आप लोग क्वेरी करें. तो कह रहे हैं कि विदाउट शैडो ऑफ डाउट अब हमको प्रोसिक्यूशन है, हम हैं. कहते हैं petitioner have miserably failed to provide proof of who and benefited how and where cheating have been done. Which forum you created? Which forum they have created where you can go and demonstrate and give the facts? They should have an inquiry committee. Their forum is a report from the superintendent. I am saying I have failed to prove where is the forum you have created where I could have proved it. Please consider this aspect. You ought to have appointed somebody, a partial body, and they could have asked, the student could have gone and proved it. So without asking, without creating a forum for proving, bringing evidence, you say you have failed. Where I am supposed to prove? I have sent messages to Commission. I have sent messages to the Chief Minister. I have sent to the Prime Minister. What more I can do? And you are depending on the report of the Superintendent of Examination, who themselves are, at least they have failed to discharge their legal obligation. From factual position, it is clear that even remotely there was no possibility of paper leak at all. The ministers themselves have admitted that there was paper leak in one of the centers, which they spread in 22 centers. So therefore, it's not that there is no leak. Whether that leak वो कैंसर दूसरे पार्ट में फैला कि नहीं है, तो उसका भी तो इंक्वायरी कराना पड़ेगा. कह रहा है कि बाबू सभागार में कैंसर हो गया, लेकिन कैंसर ट्रेवल करके छपरा पहुंचा कि नहीं, तो इंक्वायरी करेगा तब ना पता चलेगा पहुंचा कि नहीं. तो वही सुप्रीम से पूछ लीजिए. दिस इज जब एक्स पर हो गया किसी नोन टू द पब्लिक डोमेन, आप कहते हैं कि मिसचिफर कर दिया, मिसचिफ वाले नहीं कर दिए हो तो भी तो डिस्क्लोज हो गया. ये आपका डीएम भी एक्सेप्ट करता है प्रेसिंग को. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई यू होल्ड री-एग्जामिनेशन. Then can you see not further? अब जो एक जजमेंट सब दिखाएंगे हमारे जजमेंट दोस्त उसमें अपियर हुए हैं, उनका व्यू क्या है दिखाते हैं, लेकिन पहले इशू खत्म कर लेंगे. अब जो
आपको वहां से देख रहा है.
लेकिन इनका हम इंक्वायरी एग्रीमेंट दिखाना चाह रहे थे, जिसमें इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट कहाँ है एग्रीमेंट इनका, जिससे
My lord should continue in second half.
Yeah, we have to conclude it today.
yes,
I mean, it is to the exclusion of other cases. So we have kept the whole day reserved for this.
my lord.
As long as you people argue, we will conclude it today.
ये लोग कर लेंगे तो हम लोग कर देंगे.
आप लोग तो कर ही दिया है, तो कर रहा है, अब क्या करिएगा. अब जो जरा सा
If some more argument would be required, we can spill over for tomorrow, but not beyond tomorrow first half.
I can assure, if they conclude my lordships even up till 3:30,
No, we will-
subject to query by my lord.
We will be querying.
Yes, we will conclude today.
second activity, second activity.
What are you looking for, Mr. Giri?
हाँ?
क्या देख रहे हैं, क्या खोज रहे हैं?
हम खोज रहे हैं जो इनका एग्रीमेंट हुआ है वो एक कंपनी से, हमने डायरेक्शन दे दिया 24 घंटा जंगल चलेगा, वही हम दिखाना चाहते हैं. खैर उस बात छोड़ दिया जाए. अब जो दूसरे पॉइंट पर हम आते हैं, ये पॉइंट हमारा ऑलमोस्ट.
तो आपका पॉइंट ये है, आई मीन इसको अगर हम अपने तरह से फॉर्मुलेट कर दें, इस ये स्ट्रिक्ट प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं है जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट वर्ड यूज करता है, यही ना. इसीलिए इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए.
इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए. और आपने ये जो कह रहे हैं कि आपने प्रूव नहीं किया, कहाँ प्रूव?
वो तो समझ गया ना, तो स्ट्रिक्ट प्रूफ की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो प्रूफ नहीं.
या नंबर 1. नंबर 2, अब हुजूर जरा हमारे पेज now kindly come. And I am. Now, my lord will come to my second affidavit. Second affidavit is on.
Yes.
My lord will turn to. Now, playing level field के आर्गुमेंट को हम थोड़ा फर्दर डेवलप कर रहे हैं.
लेवल की किस मामले में री-एग्जामिनेशन, सेलेक्टिव री-एग्जामिनेशन,
My lord,
सेलेक्टिव री-एग्जामिनेशन
effect क्या हुआ है? Selective re-examination itself is not enough. You have to show what is the effect of that. I'll come to the Supreme Court judgment in case of
केस ऑफ
medical examination recently done. Their lordships have allowed, permitted. My lord, the general selection who I qualified is 7 to 9%. तेरह को जो एग्जामिनेशन हुआ है उसमें क्वालिफाइड परसेंट हुआ है, टोटल कैंडिडेट जो अपियर हुए हैं वो 17 to 9 to 10, 9% समथिंग, 7 to 9 ही क्वालिफाई किए टोटल. ये जो बापू वहाँ का जो पार्शियल री एग्जामिनेशन किए हैं जिसको हमारे लायक दोस्त को RFA की सिपाही का क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया है, हम सिपाही तो नहीं कहेंगे लेकिन इसका इफेक्ट क्या हुआ है कि 19.7% लोग क्वालिफाई कर दिया. So it's not equal level field. The field was smooth. Field was not as hard as the earlier generation. Kindly see me, Lord. So I have pleaded it specific percentage wise that for 911, Lord, the percentage is 7 to 13, 7 to 9. And for this examination held on 4-1.
we are not for even for a second we are watering down your argument. But the number in Bapu Sabhagar, I mean, you must understand this, that the percentage of, say, 200 students and percentage of 55,000 students, they'll have no similarity, no parity.
The percentage will be the same.
Percentage vis-a-vis the number of candidates.
The percentage will be the same.
So therefore, suppose we say that the maximum percentage of road accidents are by male drivers and female drivers, they are safest. I mean, this is the basics of logic. Now that cannot be reason. You're right. Bapu Sabhagar or Bapu Examination Center, the success rate was 19%. This 19% is calculated on the, your first ground is absolutely all right, but here you'll have to explain to us that this percentage is calculated on the number of students appearing. And right. The 7.9%, now add up these, you will find that this percentage is minuscule.
Lord, what I'm saying, if you are holding segregated examination,
now, number of persons sitting in this room, 1% would be few or 5% would be few. But make them mingle with the big crowd of the entire High Court. All persons, I mean, all the footfalls today within the campus of the court, the percentage would be even less. So that's the reason. Now, whether any definite inference can be drawn from this, there are other factors, but this percentage thing, it makes
this is one of the aspects.
The argument does not.
This is one of the aspects.
Yeah, you're right.
And
this cannot be
other aspect. In this,
no, we are testing this argument on the basis of level playing field theory that you have raised.
The other is
the difficulty here is, therefore, I told you that selective re-examination and level playing field, these are insurmountable issues for you to climb over.
Where I'll come to that.
I'll tell you why. See, the examination system is such that there are separate sets of question papers. It could happen that you being an examinee, if you are given set C, perhaps you'll find it difficult. But set B, somebody says that he has done well because the questions were sitters. It's all a process, and therefore there is a system. I don't remember that system which was evolved by a German Jewish philosopher with respect to leveling it. See, selective re-examination and level playing field would not cannot actually be proved. No, it's very difficult. And then a level playing field is not there for the students because of these subjective marking of the invigilators. I mean, of course, in multiple choice questions, that argument is not available. But for essay type questions, if there are
और हम दे देते हैं।
नहीं, चलिए ठीक है, इसको करिए।
पहले तो एक ये हो गया।
मैंने आपको कहा कि इस पर बहुत जोर देने की जरूरत नहीं है।
हम तो कह दिया हजूर। दूसरा है कि नया एग्जामिनेशन में 4 क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग आया।
हाँ, वो सब
पुराना क्वेश्चन में 14 रॉन्ग आया है। अब ये लेवल फील्ड कैसे होगी? Please consider this. There are 4 wrong questions in the new examination, L.41. And there are more than 14 wrong questions in the old one. Then
नहीं, इससे क्या इन्फर कर रहे हैं? इससे क्या, उसमें जितना ज्यादा क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है
उतना कम ज्यादा हो गया। रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ही आप पूछ दिए तो आप जवाब क्या देंगे? We have suffered. तो एक आदमी को 100 नंबर में मार्क्स मिल रहा, तो इनका 4 इधर कट गया, उधर 14 कट गया। हुजूर ये कोई हम what my lord was observing about level thing, it is in normal course of things, it is not university P2C. My lord, what my lord was observing.
All right. This was an observation.
It is in the normal situation. But my friend,
आप हमें ये बताएं, we are not on your basic issue of question SOP not being followed. I mean, no 100%, but chances of paper leak, and then you being put to disadvantage. All right, we accept that those arguments. I mean, at least for the sake of arguments, it is worth considering. But we are testing your arguments henceforth on selective re-examination and level playing field. And therefore, we are putting this question to you, not necessarily located here in this writ petition or in analogous writ petitions. Generally, what is the way out? Examination, with a drop of the hat, the examination cannot be cancelled like this. I mean, first choice is that if centers could be segregated, if candidates could be segregated, let us not talk like, general people where one wrong committed, few, I mean, somebody wrote today while discussing some international relationships. He said that there is an attitude saying that if there are 4 and odd pimples, the better option is to cut off the head. I mean, that cannot be an option, and legally tenable option, right? So if there is some complaint against some center, and if it could be segregated, the law mandates that the entire examination cannot be scrapped. तो selective re-examination
एक जगह हो गया, एक जगह अनफेयर मीन्स हो गया, कुछ चोरी करा दिया, कुछ कर दिया, बात समझ में।
मैं जनरल प्रिंसिपल कर रहा हूँ, आपके केस पर नहीं कर रहा।
जो ठीक कह रहा है वही होना चाहिए, लेकिन जहाँ ट्विटर पर क्वेश्चन लिखो के पूरे देश में दुनिया में घूम गया,
आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि री-एग्जामिनेशन में समय मिल गया कैंडिडेट्स को और पढ़ लिया और तैयार हो गया।
नहीं कहा।
The argument can be stretched to any limit.
हम तो ये एग्जामिनेशन कह ही रहे हैं कि हो, हमारा ये कहना है कि वैसा अनफेयर मीन्स लोकली लोकलाइज हुआ हो तो हो सकता है। जहाँ मान लीजिए कोई चोरी करा दिया, कोई चिट भेज दिया, कोई कॉपी कर लिया, ऐसा जो कैंसर जो स्प्रेड नहीं करने लायक हो, यहाँ ऐसा कैंसर है जो स्प्रेड कर दिया है। ट्विटर पर क्वेश्चन लीक हो गया।
इस केस की बात करिए, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेलेक्टिव री-एग्जामिनेशन पर हमारी सहमति
argument subject to my lord. We argue many things. My lord may not accept it. But what I am saying is, this is not kind of that examination. That unfair means has been paid in room number 1. कोई चोरी करा दिया, कोई क्वेश्चन बता दिया, कोई आके कह दिया, चोरी हो गया, तो बाकी क्यों किया जाए? नहीं करना चाहिए। लेकिन जहाँ ट्विटर पर क्वेश्चन लिख के पूरे दुनिया में 556 आदमी तो उसी समय देख लिया, तो लिखा हुआ है 560।
आप जो बहस कर रहे हैं इसकी भी 2000 से ज्यादा व्यू होगी।
हाँ?
इसकी 2000 से ज्यादा व्यू होगी।
हाँ 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 11,000। हमारे जो बहस कर रहे हैं,
आप जो बहस कर रहे हैं,
तो वो 4 लाख लड़के हजूर के मर्सी और विचार पर टकटकी लगाए हुए।
देखिए यहाँ मर्सी की बात नहीं है। We are very concerned about the future of students.
This is very serious concern.
Name of the state, your examining recruitment authority. Personally speaking, I feel very, very hurt.
And what is the harm? Why they have made a prestige issue? They could have inquired into their Article 320 क्या कहता है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता है कि 320 में कमीशन बनाया गया है, इसलिए कि फेयर 233
320 में जाने की जरूरत नहीं। रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस
उनका क्या क्या ऑब्लिगेशन है, वो ऑब्लिगेशन अपना डिस्चार्ज किया है, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। एक तो लिटिगेंट हो गए हैं। हम क्या है,
आप लंच के बाद 1 घंटे और लें, उसके अलावा एनी अदर लॉयर हु इज योर अपीयरिंग इन मैटर? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू
और जो लंच के
how
बाद
long will you take? Can we conclude it today? No, today we are concluding all.
एक तो ड्राइवर वाला सब था।
ड्राइवर कुछ नहीं, इसको खत्म करिए पहले। In this matter?
No, my lord. In Prashant Sekhar and state.
Which case?
CWJC.
None of this matter.
I believe, my lord, I am appearing in that case.
No. Where? In this BPSC thing?
In one of the writ
Oh, I
petition, my
will
lord.
hear you.
No,
No, we don't believe in all this.
No, my lord.
We'll hear you.
Make a
Record your
party.
name.
My lord, I don't know. My lord, the heading of it. What to be trying to reject
All this we will do. Whatever. Tomorrow.
my lord.
Today we shall conclude this unnecessary. Whatever we have to do, we have to do.
My
When is the main examination?
It will start from 25th April.
All right.
फिक्स है। वन 57 है जो सिविल वाला जो कल नहीं हाँ मतलब आज भी
Serial number 23. इसका सीरियल नंबर ये 23 में क्या होगा कि नहीं होगा? एलपी है 23।
और दूसरा क्या होगा?
एलपी है सीरियल नंबर 2।
मेरा 17, 21, 25
नहीं होगा सर, नहीं होगा। I didn't know that is a possibility.
नहीं मैं 23 एलपी सीरियल में नहीं चलेगा।
यही चलेगा।
समझिएगा नहीं तो होगा नहीं, लेकिन हम चलिए हम जा रहे हैं। जस्टिस नारायण
खाना का इंतजाम देखो।
कई